Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how you convert any image of low level resolution or pixel into high level resolution or pixel. So let's get started. First of all, open the Photoshop, and here is the image. You can see that this pixel is totally damaged. So now we can do that. We can convert pixel of this image into high level pixel. So basically we can do this step. First of all, go to images and select image size. After select this, make sure you have click pixel and resolution is 300. After that, make sure this is custom and width is 2100. Click the OK. Here is the image. If your photo pixel has converted the high level resolution, then this is best for you. Otherwise, you can do the second step. The second step is go to filter, blur, and go to Gaussian blur. Here you can set this radius to 21. You can set this radius, image size, and image quality. Here we can set this 27.7. Press OK and go to the curves. Here you can see that. Here you can see the graph. Now we can do that. The white area is here. We select this and go toward the black, and black is toward the white. Now you can see that our photo pixel is ready. Make sure you have subscribed this my channel, like this video and comment on this video for more information updates about Photoshop and graphic designing.